Alright, so I am going to continue with a little bit of more of the sound deadening material. I've started putting some here and here. First I took off the panels, this big panel that covers the speaker and little I guess you would call them cubby holes or glove compartments. Took those out and took out the side panel, these side ones here. You have to take these off first, and then the next thing you want to take off is this, and then this. But I took this off first before this. So now I'm going to take this part off, which is the big long plastic panel. And to do that, you have to take this screw off right here to loosen this up so this can be pulled out. So let's try to do that. And this is just a Phillips screw. Just take that out. Let's get the other side. I'm on the passenger side now, about to take out the screw. Take out your lighter, electrical lighter outlet, and then normally what you're supposed to do is unscrew these, but previous owner popped them off and broke the clip. But so now I just pull up here bottom and pull up this side. There, now lift up on here and pull up on it. Alright, so got the panel out. So what I'm going to do is clean this up in here, and I'm going to sound deaden it all around, clean it out, vacuum it out, and I'm going to put a 10-inch subwoofer in here. And it's been known not to put a subwoofer in here because of all the vibration, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and put a lot of sound deadening take this off, put sound deadening behind this and in front of it, and hopefully that'll make it sound a little better. If not, I'll just put a box in the back, but I'm trying to keep it to a minimum of less things in the trunk. Trying to make it look real clean and utilize this 10-inch woofer space from the factory.